Hi all, good evening and welcome to our new module. In this module, from this module, we are going to turn into a new way. We are going to see other channels of digital marketing. Until now, we have seen channels like search engine optimization, as well as in search engine optimization, we have seen how to do off-page optimization, as well as how to do on-page search engine optimization, and how to bring traffic to your website or else business. And secondly, we have seen how to run ads. So either it be search ads, either it be display ads or video ads, whatever it is. So we have seen how to run ads for our business in digital marketing. So till now we have seen two channels. One is search engine optimization, another one is search engine marketing. And we have seen how to do those channels and how to work on those channels and how to do search engine optimization or search engine marketing on those channels. So now from this module we are going to see other channels of digital marketing. So when we get into other channels of digital marketing, we will be going into our next module will be social media marketing. So when I say social media marketing, first preference comes to Facebook marketing, and then comes to Instagram, and then Twitter, and then comes LinkedIn, and then comes other modes of channels. So we are considering Facebook as first channel because more users we have on Facebook rather than other channels. And other channels, so if we take Instagram, we will be finding only people from specific age, either it be from 18 years of age to 30 to 35 years of age, or else from if we take Twitter also, it is confined to only limited age demographics. But only Facebook we have a coverage of huge demographics from 18 years of age to 65 plus years of age. So that's why whatever your business is, your business will have a huge reachability on Facebook when compared to other channels. And of course, based on your product and business, you have to decide which channel you have to select actively. So if your channel is based on is particularly for youth, or else people of demographics from 18 years of age to 25 years of age, then you can go to Instagram. Or else if you feel your users are more active on Twitter, you can go to Twitter. So by default we are going with Facebook. So because we have similar methods of marketing either in Instagram or else Twitter or LinkedIn, and LinkedIn has very limited scope of marketing channel. And of course in Facebook we have a huge marketing channel schema. So now today we are going to see how Facebook marketing works, as well as how we are going to establish Facebook marketing in Facebook. So now you can see we have a profile here, and even Facebook marketing is of two types. First one is a paid Facebook marketing, and another one is organic Facebook marketing. So in first one you will pay to Facebook to market your business or product. In the later one you will do organically, so through other channels, through the specifications and functionalities of Facebook, we will do our marketing in Facebook. So now when I say marketing in Facebook, first thing, okay, now we are doing marketing in our search engine optimization. So in our search engine Google, so we are doing marketing in Google. So in order to do marketing in Google, we are giving our website as a face of our business. So similarly in Facebook also you should create a face of your business, so that when you do marketing on Facebook, your users will be redirected to a page where your business happens, a place, a face where your business happens. So and of course you can connect your face in Facebook, your business face in Facebook to your website. That's not an issue, but we should have a profile or else face on Facebook. So now if you see here, all our profiles will be having a free freebies which will help us in marketing. So you can see here just below your profile you can see 4 options: ad, page, group, event. These are all the 4 options which helps you in terms of marketing your business or else your website. So now you can see here you have ad. When you click on ad, you have to create your ad and then you have to pay for your ad. We will get into ad part later. Now we are seeing other three channels here: page, group and event. So these are all let's take it, so we can say like these are all organic form of marketing in Facebook. So like on page optimization, off page optimization, we have here organic form of marketing. So first preference is page, second preference is group, third preference is event. So now we have first one, which is a page. So now I am just clicking on page here. So a page generally works linked with likes. So when somebody like your page, so it's like they subscribe to your page. So a page is generally an identity of your website, so an identity of your business which we create on Facebook. So please remember, business should not create human profiles on Facebook. So they should definitely have an Facebook page. So if you are a business, so let's take, I have a business called Shelved Minds. I can't create a human profile called Shelved Minds. So with a human profile, and of course not a fake profile, so you should have your real profile. With a real profile, you should create a business page. If you are a business and you are a business entity, then you should definitely create a page. So we can consider a Facebook page as a website on Facebook, as our website on Facebook. So now you can see here I am going to create a page here. So if you have a local business or place, you can put your local business, place or category and then street address. If you have a company or organization, you can select your company or organization. Then you can put your company name. If you are brand or product, it's a similar process. So artist, band or public figure, entertainment, cause or community, so whatever it is, you can select your particular niche. So now I am going to create a Facebook page for Shelved Minds. So I am just creating a page. So once I click on get started, now next option which I have is to upload a profile picture. So if you have a profile picture, it will be shown as a profile picture like this. And if you skip this one, next one is creating a cover photo. So you can put your cover photo on your Facebook profile page, which shows about your business, about your products, all those things. So I'll show you what is a profile pic as well as what is a cover page and how to design it. So in our previous modules, we have seen how to design Facebook cover pages using Canva. So if you are not sure, you can check our previous modules. In our previous modules, we have used Canva. In our Blogger modules, we have used Canva, and then we have created a small image and we uploaded it to our blog. So similarly, you can use Canva to design your cover page. So this is your cover page which comes on the top of your web page, and this is a profile picture. So now your Facebook has a separate inbox to where your users can message you, and you can reply for your user messages, and it has notifications, insights and publishing tools. So now, as I said earlier, Facebook page works based on like. So let's take, if I like this particular page, then it's like I am subscribing to that page. Whenever I post on my page, then people whoever has liked my page, for them my update would have been sent. So in their timeline my update will be shown. So now you can see here there are some page tips here. You have to add a cover photo, you have to add a small description about your Facebook page. You can see here you have an about page here. You can put about your company as well as your location, whatever it is. And the Facebook page has their own usernames. You can create a Facebook username here if you have your page has a own username. So now I am going to create my own username. So I have just created a username, and it's showing it's not eligible because you have to reach minimum number of likes. So 30 number of likes. So 30 number of likes, then you can create your own username so that it comes like facebook.com/shelvedminds. So now you can see here You can add any number of admins, so administrators to your Facebook page. If you go into settings, you will have all the options over here. So you can see here, you can edit your page as well as you can edit your page settings, all those things. And you can add people also to your Facebook pages. If you have many number of people, you can add as editors or else moderators or else admins, whoever it is. So please be careful while adding page roles to your Facebook page, because they will be having access to your Facebook page backend and anybody can post on your Facebook page. So likes are very important in Facebook page, and rather than likes, follows are very important. And you can see here you have other options to create a group and then to create a event for your Facebook page. So now a Facebook page is very important in business, friend, and it's your identity. So it's not enough having a Facebook page only. You should definitely have an updated Facebook page. So regularly you should post updates on Facebook page. So what are all the updates you can post and how frequently you have to post and what are all the timings you have to post on Facebook. So generally you can post on Facebook by 2 to 5 p.m. so in the afternoon. So it will be a very good time to post your Facebook update. And then what to post on Facebook. So whatever you have as a business update, even if you have your office images, new joinees, or else you are recruiting, or else you are releasing a new product, or else your product is going good, you got a review, so you got a rating, whatever it is, share it on Facebook with your users so that people finds it more engaging. So first thing. Second thing, how many times you have to post on Facebook? I highly suggest to post at least one post per 2 days. So it's even more good if you post regularly, daily. So generally very good pages, they post every 3 hours once or every 4 hours once, up to starting from morning 6 a.m. to evening 6 p.m. So similarly we have you can post, like if you are unable to post daily, you can post 2 days once you can post on your Facebook page. So now we have a software for scheduling Facebook pages. So you can schedule the Facebook pages. You can link your Facebook pages to your softwares, and then you can schedule it to post. So because no one will be able to sit for a whole day and then post, right? So if you schedule your post, that software will automatically post onto your Facebook page. So first option for that particular software is called Buffer. So this is a free software for basic usage. You can connect only one profile. So you can see here, you can schedule 10 posts per day, and then you can connect the 3 social media accounts, and of course it has all the remaining facilities. So this is a very good software. You can connect your page to Buffer. So it's a simple process to connect your page. Sign up to Buffer, then it will have an option to connect your Facebook page to buffer.com. So immediately connect your Facebook page to the buffer.com at once. So let's take you are working for 30 minutes or 60 minutes, like that. You spend on your Facebook page and then buffer.com. So immediately what happens, you put some 10 to 12 posts, so 10 posts per day. Let's take, if you want to post 10 posts per day, you can schedule it in particular timings. So if you want it to be posted at 6 a.m., 9 a.m., 10 a.m., 12 a.m., whatever it is, you can schedule your posts and then you can post it. You can schedule them to post your post to your Facebook. So not only Facebook, you can connect your Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, as well as your Google Plus to buffer.com. This is a very useful software, and basic version is free to use. Of course, you will have insights as well in buffer.com, so you can track your users whether they are engaging on your Facebook page or not. So this helps you to post on Facebook in regular times. So regularly you can post in per day. So now this is how you post in Facebook. So before we get into further modules, I highly suggest you to explore buffer.com and look how it works out, and then we will get into other modules on how to post on Facebook. So let's meet in other modules to see further how to work on Facebook. Thank you and see you.